Hey everyone, welcome back to your English speaking classes. And how are you all? You hear and speak this question many times in your life when you meet someone. But do you know there are other alternative phrases to ask this same overused question, how are you? Let's learn some of these. Our first slang is, how is it going? How is it going? Very casual and mostly used by native speakers like, hey Neha, how is it going? Great. And our next one is, what's going on? What's going on? Very casual phrase and commonly used among friends like, hey friends, what's going on? Great. And our next slang is, what's up? What's up? Very much casual and commonly used among friends. For example, hey guys, what's up? And our next sentence is, how have you been? How have you been? When you meet someone after a short period of time, like after 2 weeks or month, then we say, how have you been? For example, hey Neha, how have you been? Good to see you. And next one is, what's new? When you meet someone after a long period of time, then we say, what's new? For example, hey Neha, how long no see? What's new? And next one is, how's life? Very commonly used and open-ended like, hello, how's life treating you? And next one is, are you doing okay? Are you doing okay? When you feel someone is sick or not well, then you say this sentence, are you doing okay? For example, hey, are you doing okay? Need any help? And next one is, everything alright? Everything alright? When you feel someone is in sad mood and a little bit off, then we say, everything alright? For example, hey dude, everything alright? And last one is, you good? You good? This commonly used among friends like, hey, you good bro? Yeah. So stop saying how are you and try these new phrases to level up your English speaking. These sentences help your English sound more natural and better connect with others. And I try to make videos very simple so everyone like kids, beginners, intermediates can understand in a simple way. So keep support me with your like, share and subscribe and keep practice. See you in next video. Till then, bye.